Alright, so I'm just preparing my food this morning, and if you know me, you know I love to cook breakfast. I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking today. So I start with bacon, pretty simple, but I do love this company. It's my fave. Okay, I made a little sausage scramble. I did chicken, apple sausage, onions, and peppers. And I just put a little olive oil in the pan and sprinkled it with garlic powder. Okay, this is my favorite part, flaky French toast. This is eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and cinnamon, and crushed frosted. Okay, so I'm going to take the French toast bread, which already has a bit of flavor, and dip it in a little mixture, and put it in the flake. You want it to look like this. At least I like when it looks like this. And with every meal, I make rice and eggs and cheesy eggs because T just loves this and always asks for it. So I just make it.